Don't worry, just keep your eyes open for him off the way.
Nemo!
Let's go explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Like aboard explorers, it's time to go.
Yes, have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking at my son.
Ooh, I can help.
Stop playing games. Jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Dory, stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloon.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'm thinking.
Jellyfish. And the next one, jellyfish.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants. Look, I'm scared now.
You're not helping.
Neener, neener, neener. Oh yeah, too fast for you.
Stop fooling around. Dory, do something.
Hey, Snappy Jaws. Can't catch me.
Swim away.
Watch out. Look, I'm scared now.
You're not helping.
Neener, neener, neener. Too fast for you.
Stop fooling around.
I wonder if clownfish taste funny. Nemo, why don't you remind me? Oh,
You're sure?
Welcome to the EPCOT.
This is awesome! Grab shell, Nemo! It's the AC! But I've never been in the AC before!
totally! But everybody's looking for you.
When your dad couldn't find me, I was all like, whoa! And then he was like, whoa! Now you're here, so like, whoa! But I saw all these jellies and anglerfish and sharks!
Your mother did.
Hey, so no
Righteous offspring. Awesome. Check out the big Marlin.
Come aboard, explorers.
canals? Oh, but I get to see a good root canal. Wait, take me with you. I mean, it's a nice song.
Hey, it's ours. Head up to sea base for amazing discovery.